first year, we were doing flags and we were at the football field, and I think it was a slam toss or something, and it came up and the wind took it and it hit Mr. Nelson in the back, and it was the funniest thing ever.
Not on the field because it's just fun to cheer with everybody. Before performances, I get nervous, but everyone talks to each other through it, and when you get out there, it kind of just happens, and you're out there with a bunch of your friends, so it's just fun. The hardest part about cheerleading is people that don't think that it takes a lot of work, because it does take a lot of work, and we spend a lot of our summers up here and after school time, so the hardest part is probably it not being appreciated is something. My most memorable moment about cheerleading is Washington County Fair because we always do a dance and we do a cheer, and it's really fun to compete with everybody.
Do a good luck thing before we perform, but we just kind of do it.
Yeah, you don't get nervous. There's not enough time to think. You just go.
You just do it.
I probably won't twirl in college because it's hard to get into a college that has a lot of majorettes. If there is a majorette, it's a feature twirler, and there's usually only one, and it's very hard to get that position. I did it because I like to twirl, and it's fun, and it's not really a sport, it's just something you like to do.
My sister was a majorette before a year before I was, so I thought it looked fun. So when we went to Florida, we marched in a parade.